Hey y'all, it's Mary, and I got a delivery from Amazon. So, Amazon is a lot of people's favorite. I shop a lot from Amazon because I live in a rural area and it's hard to find everything I need here. Although I do try to buy locally when I can, because buying locally helps your community, definitely, for sure. So I got some things to help me with charging my phone and taking care of my phone. And I've told you all about some of these in the past, and I got some new things, so I wanted to share it with you. So I'm going to show you, I have an iPhone. So an iPhone has a magnet in it, and products that would match with it are called MagSafe, MAGSAFE, and they're safe for holding the phone with the magnet and charging them. So I record with my phone, so I took the case off to show you that this is, you don't see the magnet on the iPhone, but this is what it's like on the inside of the phone. So this case I can use with, I put the phone to it, and I can leave the case on. And before I was having to take my case off all the time to charge my phone. And that breaks your case, and it wrecks your phone, and your phone might go flying and that kind of thing. So I had gotten this wireless, this is a wireless portable charger, because I couldn't find what I was looking for, a bedside charger. So this is wonderful. I highly recommend it. $26.99. It is not, none of my products are iPhone brand. And none of them are the MagSafe brand, but they all say that they are compatible to that. So see how that is on there to show you, and then you would take your phone and put it like that, and then it'll charge wirelessly. Well, so this is what I was using, and it uses up in 2 nights. So you have to keep plugging it in every couple of nights. So it's great for traveling. This one also has this back here, which is nice. So you can use this as a stand and put your phone on it to do what you're doing. Great for while you're traveling to charge the phone. Or even, just around, you're out all day and didn't charge your phone, you can charge it anywhere that you're at. So that's what that does. And it stays connected to the phone so it doesn't fall off of it because of that magnet. And blue is going through. So it was just, I'd have to remember to charge this every other day. So I'm like, I really do need a bedside charger. And I had shown y'all my bedside charger. I went and got it again to show you. This was really nice. I paid about $9.99 for it. This is YOOTECH brand wireless charger. So you can just lay your phone on here. Many phones can work on here. You don't have to have an iPhone. It does attach with this C. This is a C plug. And then the cord, it has the USB. Now, y'all, I may be saying the wrong words, but I'm thinking this is a USB charger. So this is like this, and then so it only holds the USB, and then it plugs in. Well, when I showed this to y'all on my last video, when I was showing you this, it's chewed up. Can you see that? So I can't use it. Camille was in a really bad chewing stage when she was brand new to the house, so she could have got electrocuted. Anybody could have got electrocuted. So this is going in the trash. Now I may be able to keep this part. And if I wanted to, I probably could keep this part. Actually, I may do that and maybe pass this on to somebody else, just give them a new cord, because I have several cords. I did look at Temu to buy things. I have bought some things from Temu in the past, but when I was looking for something particular, the price was the same on Amazon. And I thought Amazon is just so much easier to return if it doesn't work for me. So this is what I got for my bedside table. And I'll try, if I don't put the links in the description and you want to know more about these products, ask me and I'll give you the link. Okay, so this is really cool. Here it is, okay? And This can come out of here. See, it's magnet. This can come out. You can just use this. But I do like that stand. So you don't have, so this is great. You can travel with this, okay? Then you don't have to take the whole stand. But you can use the stand and your phone can sit on it like this if you want to watch a movie while you're laying in bed or something. Or you can put it this way as well. And then the cord comes through here, which you can unsnap from here to take with you. And then the cord, see now this one, again, you can, this MagSafe. I'm not sure if it would hold, if any phone can be put on here, it won't magnetize, but if you lay this down, if it will charge any phone, that I don't know. I just know it will charge my iPhone. And on the end of it, it is one of those, it's a C, whatever, you know, the C thing. So this block only has the C thing. And then there's your to plug in, okay? Okay, so when you're looking for things like this was $18.50 on sale, usually $27. This is what I have a problem with. This is fantastic. I love it. I've been using it. It's been working fantastic. This right here, I have an old home, so I don't have many plugs. So I have to use an extension, not an extension cord, a power strip, And I have one that's, you know, protected if lightning hits or something. But this, look at how this is. This doesn't plug in that way. On my power strip, it has to plug in this way. So I have other things in that power strip. This isn't, there's not enough room in between plugs to plug this in. So I need one that goes this way. So I had to buy some more of these chargers. So it's very difficult to find square chargers or this type of charger with the prongs differently. At one time I had something that the prongs changed, but I can't find that. And these things do get old, I'll tell you that. I do have, here is what I bought. This is the packaging, and this came with 2 of these. So these are square. Well, they're not quite square, but they're more square than this, okay? And then see how the prongs are on the back? So I can plug this in, and this fits in better than this. This has too much overlap. You can see that's just enough to make it not work because I've used every plug in that power strip. So on this side, we have the C spot and also a USB, which is very nice in case you have something different that you're wanting to plug in. So with this, a lot of things now, no matter if they're for your iPhone or for any phone or whatever, they've changed to this C. So that can go in here, then I can plug this in by my bed and I've got it going. And that is what I've been using to charge my phone at night. And I really like that. And this is nice because there's 2, like I said, in here. And so what I also did was I bought this package of 2 cords. And these cords are, one end is the C end, and the other end is for the iPhone. So there's the C end, and then this is the iPhone end. So I could use this to charge my phone without that stand. So if I want, like with this is a perfectly good one that came with that stand. I can plug the C in here, plug this into my phone, and plug this in like the kitchen or something. If I'm just, you know, working in the kitchen and I want to charge up my phone. So that's what I bought that for. And then, like I said, this thing that has the broken cord, all I have to do if I want to, or so many people have them already, if I pass that out to someone, they need the C end and they need the USB end. That seems to be the most common cord that I see. So you just have to be careful what you're buying, what you're looking for when you're looking. So it took me a while to figure that out. I mean, just because I don't know the names of these things, you know, so I've really liked what I got, and I recommend what I got. Y'all know that I did get a pad that was like this. It was very much like this, but it didn't have the stand, and it worked for a day or two, and then it did not work anymore. So I went to do an exchange, and Amazon offered to, instead of doing an exchange, would you, because I was saying I liked it, would you like them to send me another one? And I said yes, because I thought I just had a faulty one. Well, so they sent me out another one. So of course that one rang up as $0. And then I got it, and it worked for a couple of days and then stopped working. So I needed to return both of them, and I did do the return on my phone. You know, I did all the return, everything I was supposed to do, took them back to the UPS store, and I got a receipt, and then I didn't get a refund. And I always get when I take things to the UPS store, I get a refund before I even get back into my car usually. But I didn't get it, and I thought, well, what's wrong? I did something wrong. And I had already driven away and went back to my office, and so I well, I have my receipt. So I called over and I said, you know, are y'all having trouble with your computers or anything? They said no. So they said, don't worry, you'll get it. You have your receipt. So a couple days went by and I didn't get it, and I looked into it, and they were holding my refund, and it ended up being, I got the refund. It was over a month. It was 5 or 6 weeks it took for me to get the refund. And I followed their timeline. I told you all about it. And somebody gave me their phone number, which I didn't call because I was waiting. It was only $12.95, which I did want my money back, but I wanted to see what the process was. So it finally came to the end. April 6th was when I was supposed to get the refund. And when I checked it, it said they were not issuing me a refund. So I got upset, of course, and I immediately went on for help and got help. Immediately got someone that was talking back and forth with me, and they gave me a refund. They saw that I returned it, and they gave me a refund. They weren't sure. Sometimes quirky things happen, you know. But in the meantime, that bedside cord or charger, whatever it's called, it was no longer available. So I wonder if the manufacturer or whoever was selling it got a really bad batch, and then everybody was wanting refunds, and it might have put them out of business. I don't know. I hate that if that's what happened, but they just didn't work. So of course we want our money back. So that is what I've done for my iPhone, and I really like it. Also, during all of that, I had gotten a stand, if you will, that is in my car. So it goes with this MagSafe. When I get in the car, I plug this in to the USB, and then this sets on that stand. So it's there for me to use if I use the GPS or whatever. But my phone has that screen up top, you know, so the GPS will come up there. So anyway, there's just a lot of cool, newfangled things. And also, just, you know, I know that y'all probably know this, but I had a cord that had a plug that was a square plug that I bought a while back. It's been a while. I don't know because I didn't put a date on it or anything, but a year or two. Well, it stopped working. So what I did was, when I got a new box, I tried it again, and it was the box. It wasn't the cord. So the nice thing about these is they do come apart, so you can check your cord to see if that's what the problem is, or if your box is the problem, and then just replace what you need instead of having to replace the whole thing. So that is my story about Amazon, and I'm happy with what I've ended up with. So let me tell you what I'm wearing. I have on this Natasha Denona palette. This is the eyeshadow palette 5. That's all it says. It's very beautiful. I love the way this works and this opens. And these are the colors, and there are 3 shimmers and 2 mattes, and I love it. And then on my lips, I have MAC, and this one is called Ruby Woo. Oops. And this is just real classic red. Classic red. Gorgeous. So that's what I'm wearing. So y'all, thanks for stopping by to see my Amazon stuff. And if you're interested in any of these things, like I said, if I remember, I'll put the links. If I forget, ask me if it's something you're interested in. And just something that I didn't know, I've had an iPhone for, I think this is my 2nd iPhone. I keep them for a long time. So I've had them for years, and I never knew about the MagSafe until maybe a year or so ago. And it's beneficial because I have broken so many cases because I have to take it off every night to set on that pad. So this is helpful. I don't have to take this off ever. I took it off so I could show you how it magnetizes to things so that you can see how that works. It's very helpful. This is really nice at my bedside table, like I said. And I really like that this comes away from here if I need it to, so I can take this with me traveling and I don't have to worry about this bulky stand to take with me. So thank you all for stopping by. Count your blessings, everybody. Bye-bye.